How you doing, guys? Stu, welcome back. This is a 2019 Chevy Equinox with a 1.5 liter engine. By the way, it takes 5 quarts of synthetic oil, 0W20. Alright? So you wonder why you got this message? Well, that means it's time to change your oil. Okay? And how you gonna do that? I'm about to show you how. How to reset the oil light. Alright? So you'll see this message in your dashboard, cluster, whatever you call it. Then you go right here, press check. Okay? Then with this arrow, you're gonna scroll down or scroll up. Now we're gonna scroll down, alright? Scroll down until you see this menu. The remaining oil life is 0%. So what you're gonna do is put it to 100% by pressing the check button, press it and hold it. Now you press it and hold it. There you go. That's how you reset the oil life in this 2019 Chevy Equinox LT. Alright, all-wheel drive, by the way. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe now. Hit that subscribe button. Hit this like button. And if you have any comments, anything to say about this video or this car, just put in the comment box. And don't forget, I need that feedback, bruh. I need the feedback. I need to know what you think about what I'm doing right here so I can improve it and make it better for you. Alright? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Holla at your boy, Burung, Astu. Meow.